What's up, everybody? Yeah, Lieutenant Thrash back at you with another motherfucking vid. This shit is gonna be killer, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how to fucking whip that shit up like a world-renowned chef, bro. So y'all can eat good, you know what I'm saying? We don't want motherfuckers out here fucking eating no shitty-ass food, bro. I'm gonna stress the importance right now. Every one of the ingredients I'm about to show you in this video, you need to get your ass up at the store and get that shit right now. Get off your lazy buns. Get up, get up, get up. I'm gonna show y'all how to make infamous Godlike breakfast tacos. This one goes out to my boy David at How to Beast. David, if you're watching this, bro, thanks for the vids. I appreciate them. Great videos. This one's for you, dog. So first off, hash browns. You cannot have a good fucking breakfast burrito without hash browns. We gonna pop some bitches up in there. They gonna cook, and we gonna get to it. Next step, bro, fuck anything else. Virgin coconut oil. We gonna set that bitch on there, and it's gonna melt. Good, boys and girls. What we have is, we have 1/4 of green pepper chopped. We have 1 mushroom and a nice handful, to your preference, of banana peppers. You wanna let them cook for a little bit, because you don't want to eat no raw mushrooms. You want to give them a little cook, make sure they're cooked up before you eat them. A lot better for you that way, I'd say. Next thing we're going to add is garlic, because garlic, you don't want to eat it all the time, but every once in a while, it's good for your health, right? The garlic adds good flavor, and also, it kills parasites that could be in your body, and it's just an immune booster all around. Very good for you, so good. You're gonna let this bitch cook for, I'm gonna say, about 4 or 5 minutes. You don't want to throw this on until after you put the eggs on. For today's choice, we have thyme, because we ran out of cilantro, and I would recommend cilantro over thyme. It's got a great taste. So today we're gonna go with thyme. It's good for you too, and give it a little flavor. Yeah, we're gonna chop them real good. Get them all diced up. I feel like 2 eggs is gonna be alright. 1 egg per taco. You want to have about 6 hash browns per burrito. Alright, whip them bitches. Give them a chop chop. You know what I'm saying? Thyme. Put it in there. Real godlike. Marcus Aurelius. Let me show you how to whip this bitch up with seasoning, motherfuckers. Yeah, got some cayenne pepper, dog. Y'all can put that in as you like. We're gonna use hot sauce too, and jalapenos, so we don't need a lot of that. Chili pepper, a little chili, a little oregano, really good for you, oregano, great for your health. Okay, honey. You wanna put honey on your eggs, and you wanna put a lemon on there. 1 slice of lemon. Lemon juice, good, bro. Check this out. If y'all thought that wasn't good enough, jalapeno. We're gonna take a little juice, put it on. Now this is the showstopper for your eggs, ladies and gents. Oat milk, or any kind of milk. We're gonna go with oat milk because that shit's so gas. You know what I'm saying? What we usually use is almond milk, but today we're going to switch it up. You know what I'm saying? Because we like to change up our routines a little bit here and there. So we don't get bored with the same thing all the time. And I'll show y'all how to slice up an avocado. Here's how I slice it up for breakfast. You're going to take your avocado, start on the edge, give them some thin slices all the way down. Real easy to remove too. You just take your fork, the edge, you just scoop it out like a little scoop of ice cream. Boom, so easy. Now it's got all this other extra shit. We don't want to let that go to waste. Get all that good nutrients out of there. Bitches are so fat, dog. Juicy fucking burritos. So check it. Alright, this is for 2 burritos. We got a lot. That's just off 2 eggs. Some veggies. You want to get the biggest burrito wraps that you can get. It's good. I like to give a little strategic placement at an angle. You know what I'm saying? Make sure we get a hash brown in every bite, you know? We got those La Mexicana taste buds, bro. I like that shit hot as fuck. We got pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna put that shit just like that. Rub that out with the jalapenos. Now, I know not everybody likes jalapenos, but I love jalapenos, so this is the one exception as far as the ingredients goes. Some tomatoes, bro. I don't care what you say about tomatoes. Bro, if you like pizza, you like tomatoes. If you like ketchup, you like tomatoes. You better put you some tomatoes on here because these things are not complete without tomatoes. They really whip it up right. Next, we're gonna slide the avocados on through. I like a good portion of avocados because they're just so good for your health. On the topper, on your breakfast taco, you know what I'm saying? Popeye up in this bitch. That's how we get the fucking energy. That's how we get the motherfucking muscle. You know what I'm saying? Fuck all the motherfucking bullshit. You wanna stay away from the bullshit, dog? You wanna get you some motherfucking spinach. Here's what I do. The best way to whip the spinach up for your taco. Just get it over here to the cutting board. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna dice. This will make it so much easier to keep your lettuce in your taco when you're folding. Broke down lettuce, just like you would break a nug up to roll your blunt. This is one of the best hot sauces that I've ever used for the breakfast tacos. And honestly, I love a lot of hot sauce, a lot of different kinds, but for the breakfast tacos, this is my only go-to option. So we're gonna put that bitch sauce. I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap up a taco like a pro. It's really quite simple. So the way you want to make your taco is you want to put all your stuff right at the edge. You want to have all this space here at the end where you got the whole fold. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the end of it, we're gonna tuck it like that. We're gonna give it another tuck on that end. Alright, it's like rolling a blunt for real. And then you want to take your fingers and guard it. You want to like fold that down. Alright, so then next we're going to take these 2 corners and we're going to fold those down like a wrapping up a Christmas present. You know what I'm saying? Then we're going to continue to roll it on through until it's perfect. Looks like Taco Bell, except it's like way healthier. And it's fat as fuck, dog.
What's up, everybody? This is Benji. Y'all probably seen me before in Kenneth Lashley's videos. I'm the cameraman. Today, I got a fire-ass burrito my nigga whipped up for me. Look at this fat motherfucker. I can't wait to get a bite of this shit. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. This looks so fucking good.
Fucking, that's a thrash burrito, dog. Yeah.
This is the fucking bomb.